Dear 10th class students, in this session we learn graphical method to solve pair of linear equations. You know that pair means two. The linear equations let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These pair of linear equations can be solved in three methods. One is substitution method, second one is elimination method, and third one is graphical method. In this session, we learn how to solve pair of linear equations in graphical method. In previous sessions, we finished substitution method and elimination method. And also, in a previous video, we discussed about the consistency of pair of linear equations. Consistency means sometimes the pair of linear equations have solutions and sometimes have no solutions. If they have solutions, the solution might be 1 or solutions might be infinite. We discussed about these things in detail in previous videos, and you can learn them by clicking the link in the description box. Now, what are the steps in solving pair of linear equations in graphical method? Number 1, prepare the table for the equation. You know it in previous classes. And plot the points and draw line. Now the intersecting point is the solution of the pair of linear equations. Let us recall once again the previously learned things. When the condition is a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, then the lines are intersecting and the solution is unique and the equations are said to be consistent. When the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are coincident and the solution is infinite. That means infinite solutions, the pair of linear equations will consistent and the equations are said to be consistent. And when the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, then the lines are parallel and they have no solution. The equations are said to be inconsistent. Now let us go to one question. Solve 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, 4x minus 2y plus minus 4 is equal to 0 graphically. Here a1 is 2 and a2 is 4. So a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, that means half. b1 is 1 and b2 is minus 2. So b1 by b2 is minus half. So we can say that a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Hence the lines are intersecting and they have unique solution. The line equation is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. From this equation, we can draw a table. When we took 0 in place of x, we will get 6 in place of y. Similar way, we can prepare tables for the second equation also. 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. After preparing these tables, plot these points on the graph. The intersecting point is here. When we draw line on x-axis, it meets at 2. Similarly, when we draw line on y-axis, it also meets at 2. So the solution is 2, 2. Let us go for another question. Solve x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10 graphically. Here the value of a1 is 1 and a2 is 2. So a1 by a2 is half. Similarly, b1 by b2 is also half. c1 by c2 is 5 by 10, that is also half. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Hence, the lines are coincident. That means they have infinite solutions. You can prepare tables for x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Plotting the points on the graph, you obtain only one line, that is, the lines are coincident. Every point on the line is the solution for the equations. Let us go for last question. Solve 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, 4x minus 6y is equal to 9 graphically. Here a1 is a1 by a2, that means 2 by 4 is half. Similarly, b1 by b2 minus 3 by minus 6 is also half. c1 by c2 8 by 9. By observing these, we can conclude that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equals to c1 by c2. Hence, the lines are parallel and equations have no solution. Now, prepare the table for first equation. At the same time, for second equation also, plot the points on the graph. You can observe that you will get two parallel lines. They are not intersecting. So, the linear equations will not have solution. Thank you for listening, and for previous videos, click the links given in the description box.